एंड वो सीधे आए हैं कि क्या इस बात में कोई सच है?
I think I should call Varun on stage to tell the secret behind the pants. We're heading to a full moon party right after this.
एज ऑल ऑफ यू नो कि आज फुल मून है एंड कितना ट्रैफिक होता है मुंबई में, तो गौरव इसके बाद डायरेक्ट चांद पे जाने वाले हैं।
On that note, Varun's learned the steps of Hello G from Divya. Varun, you gotta do this.
See, if I learn the steps, I would be Ragini, not Divya. There's a difference right here. I would do it, but my leg is broken. Everybody knows it out here. Yeah. I have a fractured ankle.
Oh ho. All right. But boys, you got it. You should stay on, Varun. You should stay on. Yeah. Why? Why? अभी आपको बुला ही लिया stage पर, so let's have a bit of a tete-a-tete with the both of you. Tell me, how exciting was it to be part of this series, and what does it mean to you? You know, this is very important.
You wanna go first?
तुम पहले बड़े भैया।
I don't know. It was pretty exciting. This is the. I've done horror before, but to be a part of this big a franchisee, अलग ही challenge होता है. I don't know यार, वरुण और मैं हम दोनों की भूत से बहुत फटती है यार. So we don't know what are you going to do. हम मनाली में जाके shoot कर रहे थे. We had a 15-day shoot schedule in Manali, and trust me, आप लोग जितना डरोगे show देखिए उससे ज़्यादा हम मनाली में डर रहे थे. Yeah, Virgin would remember.
I just want to know क्या तुम्हें मार डालती है रागिनी इस सीरीज में?
Okay, we can't disclose
I just
that.
want to also say कि इतना डर गए कि बाल अभी भी खड़े हैं इनके. Well, boys, I just want to wish you luck. We'll call you
Thank
back
you.
on stage
Thank
in
you
just
so
a
much.
little bit.
Thank you.
But for right now, thank you so much. Give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. And at this point, of course, put your hands together for my favorite, the Content Czarina and the OTT Disruptor of the Year, ladies and gentlemen. You say, I want to steal that dress. It is beautiful. You look
Thank
like
you
a
so
vision
much.
tonight, number one.
Thank you so much. You made my day.
Thank you. All right, let's start off by asking you, a franchise, और मैं इनसे यही कह रही थी कि we should be really proud as a country that we have a franchise that we can talk about. And this is truly one that started off in the movies and now it's on, of course, the web series world. But it's not just on the web series world, it's actually ruling. So can you tell us a little bit about this sort of formula of chamak, dhamak and namak? आपको मिला है ये?
Actually, Ragini MMS started off as a 1 crore rupee film. 1 crore.
Wow.
And it was an interesting idea to do. And it starred a very popular actor of our times. We launched him with the film. It was Rajkumar Rao's launch.
Yes.
And it was done in a way that, so we've always tried to keep a bit of a, there's always, it's young, it's sexy, America has a lot of date horror movies, which used to be those, the slasher films, which is, Scream Queens and everything. And this be great fun for young people to go and watch because not everyone wants to go to the theater to have a serious experience, People want to have fun. They have different things you take home from a movie. And this was like a combination of that. It did very well for itself. Then we did the second one with Sunny Leone. That did extremely well. Then came the censors on the movies. And after we had Urta Punjab and all those movies getting stuck, I'm like, I'm not doing this again to myself. Because the last person getting scared was me. So I said I must make it into a digital franchise because it has to be wild, it has to be fun. I don't think we've run away from the sex of it. We don't ever. But we never ever promote non-consensual sex in it. In fact, even our ghost is a feminist, I think. I mean, when you see the promo, she's actually telling people that, there's a fantastic line that Divya says that, she's only killing creeps who make MMSs of girls without telling them. And killing men who don't take consent. So I'm like, I have no problem with the sexual aspect of the show. I think we have to stop having problem with sex. And I love the fact it's got young, fun, vibrant women and men in it. Young people. It's a hugely mass brand for me. It has cut across huge mass sections. I mean, a lot of mass. India knows Ragini MMS in its movie and in its digital form. It had the last outing with Karishma Sharma almost broke the internet. This time we have these two very popular young people, Divya and Varun, and Sunny and all these young kids on this. I'm calling you guys kids, sorry. So I'm just so happy doing this franchise and so proud of it.
That's fantastic. And on that note, of course, I'd love for you to be joined by another beautiful girl on this stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Ragini, the franchise, has been, so successful, and thanks to you always coming and lending support. Do you want to tell us a little bit about the history with the franchise and how excited you were to be part of it once again?
Well, it started I don't want to say too long ago because that would age me, but it's been many years since Ragini MMS 2 came out, and Balaji, myself, the team, Ekta, and we've all been talking about over the last couple years, what are we going to do together? How are we going to work together again? And I met with Ekta and my husband, Daniel. We all sat together, and she's like, this is what I want to do. We're going to do this song. We're going to do, some other things, and we're going to make a short film. And I'm like, all right, great, let's do it. And, that's, how I've come back.
Come back, yeah. And
I'm
think
not
it was
Ragini, though. That way coming back. I'm coming back as me, Sunny.
as yourself, which I think is also awesome. I remember this amazing video that, first of all, it was fun to see you act, by the way. I see how your team makes you do these things. Can we please acknowledge that for a second? Because I saw that on Instagram and I was like, 1 second, that is the Ekta Kapoor, right? And I remember her saying that, yaar, chamak, dhamak aur namak thoda sa kam hai. And what do you feel about that? You're the chamak, dhamak, namak, babe.
Yay. Awesome. I don't know how to respond. But I am really excited to be a part of this project. I know it's a huge brand. It's a brand, a name, and connected with Balaji, and it's just a really good formula, as you could say.
Was it fun doing that song? Because it looked like fun.
It was a lot of fun. I had a great time shooting the short film for this and the song. And, my daughter's doing the steps, and it is so funny. I will show it to you later when we're finished. It's so cute to see, the little ones doing this. So I had a great time. I I rehearsed a lot, and I believe people are liking it, so it's good.
You know, we of course have always known you as the most Google celebrity in the world. Give it up for Sunny Leone for that, as always. You know, but outside of that as well, I know for a fact this song is making waves and breaking the internet, not just in India, but also outside. The amount of people outside of India who've been sharing videos doing Hello G, has that reached you as yet? Because it's reached me. You know, people are like, do you know this song? It's amazing.
Oh, okay, good. That's amazing news. It's really exciting when you can go somewhere and you hear your songs. I hear my songs a lot in Thailand. I don't know why. All of a sudden, and then some house mommy will come to me. Oh, that's you. That's you. I'm like, yeah, that's me.
Amazing. Thank you, Sunny, for lighting up the stage and the screen every time you walk on one. Give her a big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
So, I have this little boy who's a friend of mine and my little child, Vikas, and he showed me some clippings of both of them. And he was like, these are my kids, just see them, they are so good. And I was like, okay, now we will take them in Ragini, because I saw the clippings and then I took a small test of them. I said, we won't tell anyone and we'll shoot a promo and then announce. Because if they are so popular and they are so loved by the youth, let's give them the best digital launch, at least in fiction.
That's so true. And it has been, right? It has been overwhelming. You know what, Divya, I'd like for you to, at this point, tell me, how does it feel to step into a franchise, which is one of the biggest franchises, okay, this continent has seen? I wouldn't say it's anything less than that. Tell me your feelings.
When I got to know that I'm a part of this, I'm still shivering because
You are Ragini.
I am the Ragini. Thank God, man. Thank God. So this feeling was really scary for me initially. That I don't know how will I do this. It's a great franchise. वो क्या होता है ना, कभी-कभी actors when you want to debut, तुम छोटी-मोटी कोई चीज कर लो तो फिर वो गलतियां छुप जाती हैं. People don't talk about it. When the good thing comes and you're like, yeah, I'm a good actor, man.
Correct.
So
I know
this
what you're
one
saying.
is difficult. Okay,
Yeah,
this one is
yeah.
like. Okay.
Okay.
Now this has eyes, and
Yeah.
then I hear Sunny Leone being a part of it. I'm like, oh God. Okay, more eyes on us, more eyes on us. So we were like really tense, but then thankfully we pulled it off. We had an amazing team, great friends on set, amazing team, and Ekta's motivation. The day we walked in for the narration, she walks in and she's like. You feel that aura when a woman enters and the entire room becomes all important. She's all important, and we were like, okay, we have to listen to her. Like,
I know, right? Let's
so this
Sunny.
was
Sunny, let's do that together. 1, 2, 3.
so okay. So this women empowerment, which we experienced, you're going to experience the same thing in Ragini.
Amazing.
And she's made sure of it.
Amazing. Thank you. That's beautiful. You know, Varun, I have to ask you a bit of a trick question. कहते हैं जिससे मोहब्बत करो इसके साथ कभी काम मत करो.
I think ये statement ही गलत है. मुझे दिव्या ने इतना कुछ सिखाया है शो के अंदर. Obviously बाकी actors ने भी सिखाया है, but दिव्या ने मुझे इतना कुछ सिखाया है. And when I got to know that Divya is playing Ragini, I was like, चलो, thank God, कोई तो मुझे मेरी गलतियाँ बताएगा घर पे आके.
कमाल.
ना वो रहता है कि security रहती है कि गाड़ी में जब वापस जा रहे हैं तो they're like, you could do this better. I'm like, oh, thank you.
That's
कोई और
amazing.
होता बताता नहीं. So I was happy that Divya is playing Ragini and I'm playing Rahul. Obviously very nervous. Initially I thought कि somebody's playing a prank on me by calling me and saying that come and audition for Rahul. I was like, हाँ ठीक है. Just hung up. But after I got to know कि this is a real deal, really happy, really excited, really nervous, and finally it's coming out.
Yeah.
So
In 4 minutes from now.
We should have both the girls say it. Ek kiss, bara, bara. Come on.
Okay. 21, 12, 12.
21, 21, 12, 12. Ek kiss, bara, bara. 1, 2, 3, go!
Ek kiss, 12, 12.
That's what's gonna happen. I think there's about 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes for that. 5 minutes. Oh, yeah, तो decide kar lo. 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Okay, as soon as it's heard, 21, 21, 12, 12, I have a feeling my audience will definitely tell me, right? Thank you. Thank you for being my eyes on that. You know, I also want to know that when two people work together in a film which is scary, you know, aksar log kehte hain, and I'm sure Ekta, you've heard these stories before that where you get a little scared, you get spooked out. Aisa kuch hua hai aapke sets par?
We would like
बिल्कुल
to
हुआ है।
share one.
बिल्कुल
You
हुआ है।
have to listen
बिल्कुल हुआ
to
है।
this.
Okay, okay.
This was the last day of Manali's shoot, and this I think that was the last shot of the day in the night, and we just asked our DOP Vishal, like Vishal sir, please click our pictures. So we were like posing all romantic, clicking pictures, and then all of a sudden I see a picture where my entire face is gone.
And I am completely normal.
And
At
he's
that
completely
point-
normal, and that's true. And we were like figuring out पूरी रात हम सोए नहीं हैं. And then the same day हमारे रूम में इतना छोटा सा bat घुस गया था.
It's right.
And we were like going creeping
She's
out like
back.
bats, then pictures. It is a really scary picture. I would like to
It's
share it with you
Ragini.
guys.
It's because she's back.
Oh, he has it. 1 second.
Oh my God, you've got that photograph.
yeah.
This is amazing.
Yeah,
Can I see that?
yeah. See this.
Oh man, oh man.
And it looks like.
How is
somebody's
that even
right here,
possible?
हाँ मुझे पता था वापस आ
It's
गई.
like
देखो.
literally the image. It's literally the image on a phone. It can't be treated or anything. Oh, that's crazy. I don't know if my friends. Oh, guys, y'all have to see this. Especially my friends from the audience. The girls are like, we know this, of course. But what about our friends from the media? Can you see that? कैसा
We'll
झाला है?
share it on.
Yeah, maybe you'll share it on
the-
Instagram.
yeah, we should share it. Yeah, we
thank
should
you
share
so
it.
much. Thank you so much. I would love to know if you truly get spooked ever.
I get very spooked. Very, very spooked. Very, very spooked. But I have to say one thing that the process of getting Sunny on was actually exactly how we shot it. We were discussing it. We said we've got these two great young kids who have such a big following. But we need that, slam dunk moment, And that slam dunk moment only comes when you have the face of Ragini MS. I mean, we've done, 2 movies, 1 digital show out of it, but you still remember Baby Doll. You just cannot get that off that. And I met Sunny. Sunny said, you know what, I want to do something like larger. I said, we'll do that also. Then I met Daniel at an airport. And at the airport, I sat with him. I said, now that you're here, listen to me. And I spent 1 hour with him, nearly about to miss my flight, explaining to him what I was doing. And he said, this didn't come to me. Now I think you should message Sunny yourself. And then we started the whole conversation.
Wow, wow, wow. But I think that it's about a legacy as well. And correct me if I'm wrong, but there is a legacy of Ragini. And I think anybody who steps into that legacy is going to, as they say, touch gold or hit gold. I know expectations from the series, from the fans' point of view, guys, this is one thing we got to talk about because I'm someone who's a crazy social media addict, right? And I know the sort of love the two of you get on your Instagram. Sunny, I know the sort of love that you get on your Instagram. And I'm sure
Talking about
you
the both
too,
of them
Ekta.
loving each other.
All of you. But if you can quickly just tell me what have been the reactions to, of course, this dropping, or people waiting for 21, 21, 12. Can you tell me some fan speak? It'll be amazing.
Well, when we told them that we are part of Ragini, they were like, "What?" Like after being together on a show on MTV, we are now part of Ragini. They couldn't believe it. I mean,
And the
since
fact
then
that
they were like, "Abhi trailer nikalo,
yeah,
abhi
oh,
show
yeah.
nikalo." Like, thoda shoot to karne do.
And the
Nahi,
fact
abhi.
that the beautiful thing is like in our shows and in our personal lives, how people see us on social media. We are quite chirpy, best friends. We were best friends earlier. Like we were best friends, yeah. So now we're dating. That's embarrassing. Anyway,
Aw.
so
Oh, that's
this
a
was
moment.
yeah.
That's a moment
So
right there.
this was the thing, and Ragini is bold, sensuous, hot, sexy, and they're like Divya
Scary,
and Varun,
very
hot
scary.
and sexy. We need to see that side of them. So I think it's a great
Interesting.
surprise for all of them.
Interesting, hot,
Yeah.
sexy. There's lots being asked of the two of you, I must say. And I do hope that in exactly 1 minute when the trailer drops, because that is the countdown. It's exactly 1 minute for the trailer to drop. And I don't know if you're going to keep that time with me, Sunny, but I know that you're always a girl's girl. So help me out here. If you can tell me exactly for 30 seconds, every time people associate a Ragini with you, especially the fans, what does that make you feel? What is it that you hear all the time on the social media speak?
On social media, obviously, it's the best feeling when, people are dancing on the songs. I think it was just today. Yeah, last night I was sitting somewhere and the person next to me said, "I worked on Baby Doll." I mean, everybody's worked on this song, Baby Doll, by the way. Everybody. That is their one line into, having a conversation is, I worked on that song too. Or I did this, or I did this on that song. Everybody just the day before yesterday, they just speak to me about this. So it's really nice. How many more seconds do I have left?
I think we are counting down right now.
I'm
You know,
trying
trust me when I say this. Before we do that, of course, I'm going to request my friends to put their hands together.
I just want to say that I've had the best relationship with Aparna and Tarun, and I'm thankful for this partnership.
Aparna, please say a few words for us. Yeah. over here.
This has been special indeed for all of us from the first launch that was Cold Lassi Chicken Masala to Mission Over Mars, and then we've been launching 2 shows together every month, and then Ragini MMS is just, I think this just goes notches higher every time.
Woohoo.
The more you see the trailer, the more it grows on you. This is fantastic, and I guess this is just one of the best work till date. So Ekta, once again, congratulations. Happy to be associated with All Balaji. Happy to be associated with such wonderful content makers. And yes, Sunny is always special for us. The Z5 premium proposition launched with Sunny's biopic, Karanjit Kaur, The Untold Story. So welcome back to Z5.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for that. Can I please make sure that Shatadru is also with us? Shatadru, are you here? He's the EPN director for, he's the EP of the show. Can I please have Shatadru join us? And can I please have Clyde, who's directed that VR that you've seen? If y'all are with us in the room, can you please join us on the stage? All right. Ekta, I'm going to come back to you at this point. You truly made it look like the sexiest horror can ever be. All right. Could you... You, you guys missed that. You got to say that on the mic. Then let me do this again. Ekta, you really made horror look so sexy.
I'm neither Sunny Leone, nor am I Divya Agarwal, nor am I Varun Sood, nor am I Nana, all these others. So I did nothing. They made it look sexy. And the directors and the teams, the creative teams here.
You know, I love the fact that it's a feminist ghost. Could you please tell us a little bit more about that? That here's a woman who is not going to let the men rest if they're going to be creeps. I think that is a great proposition. A little bit about that.
So our writers actually said that, we make so much of sexual content. So we always told a lot of men view it. I said, bingo, that's a perfect place to actually give out a feminist statement. Content that is viewed by men.
Perfect. Absolutely.
So we'll show them a lot of sex, but we'll tell them only with consent.
Yeah, guys, can we please do this? I think consent is sexy is what we should talk to them about. So let's say consent is sexy with a thumbs up. Is that okay? All the ladies and all the men on stage, we're gonna look at you and we're gonna say consent is sexy. 1, 2, 3. Consent is sexy. All right. Of course, I'm gonna let the lovely members of the press do a quick little photo op with you guys as soon as y'all, because y'all are all here.
सिमरन सिंह है। मेरा सवाल आप दोनों से है। अपना देखा जाए तो आपके प्लेटफॉर्म की शुरुआत द फ्लैगशिप शो ऑफ वाज करणजीत कौर विद सनी एंड एकता इट ऑल स्टार्टेड विद शूट आउट एट वडाला एंड देन रागिनी MMS2 became the the most talked about movie and the most popular movie of the franchise. So tell us about your association again with Sunny Leone, because not only she's known for her professionalism, but she's also someone who values relation. What do you want to say about it?
So, rarely do you come across a person like Sunny who is, I think one huge part which we don't talk about is I think she's an excellent mother. I mean, I have learned a lot. The day I had my baby, I had 100 gifts from Sunny lying in my house. And I was like, she was like, okay, wait a minute, you gotta do this, you gotta do that, you gotta do this, you gotta do that. And she was fantastic. So, she's what I would call somebody who's with it. She's fantastic. She's a mother of 3 and she's hot. So, and she's loyal to boot and she's fantastic. And it's an honor working with her. So I'm wanting to honor this relationship and take it forward, and we will do a huge announcement very soon of something else we partner on a longer in a longer format. So it's a great pleasure working with her.
Thank you.
Sunny's brought sunshine to Z5. We admire her as a very strong woman, a woman who speaks her mind, a woman who has stood up for a lot of things.
And all those
No,
fights. Just kidding.
Yeah,
No, it wasn't like this.
you've been very honest in your biopic, right? It's however tough a life you lead or however easy a life you lead, and people always think life is easy, right? People only see the glamour part of it, but you've been very honest in your biopic, and that the show is loved by our audiences on the platform. It is one of the most watched shows on the platform, and this association with Alt Balaji for Ragini MMS just takes the entire deal better. So thank you once again, Sunny.
Ekta ji, your center. Rahul here from the Filmi Charcha. मेरा सवाल ये था कि कहा जाता है कि भूत देखने के बाद अच्छी अच्छों की फट जाती है, ना कुछ देखने में दिखता है ना समझ में आता है कुछ। ऐसे सिचुएशन में रोमांस दिखाना कितना मुश्किल था और आप दोनों से कितना करना आसान था या मुश्किल था?
So आप इनसे पूछ रहे हैं मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं?
पहले आपसे दिखाना कितना मुश्किल
तो
था?
सबसे बड़ी बात है यही तो फॉर्मेट था, इंटरनेशनल फॉर्मेट जो था कि जब आपकी फटती है तो आप अगर डेट पे होते हो तो आप एक दूसरे को पकड़ते हो और that's why horrors become the best date movies, you know. So and we had the format of scream queens, you know, really hot women, hot men, and lots of like sexuality and horror, and it became the perfect date movie at one time. So we've tried to get that experience here. अब बाकी ये तो इनको
आप
कैसा
दोनों से
लगा?
कितना मुश्किल होता है? क्या भूत देखने के बाद रोमांस बढ़ जाता है क्या?
If you say something about me like that, in
No,
those
no,
lines, would you
I'll
stop
talk in
घर
a
पे?
very general way.
Very professional, you have
While
to
I
be
was
on
growing up,
stage.
जब मैं बड़ा हो रहा था, तो मेरे काफ़ी दोस्त थे, मैं नहीं, मेरे काफ़ी दोस्त थे जो बोलते थे यार अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ हॉरर हॉन्टेड हाउस चलते हैं, एंड वहाँ पर कुछ हो गया तो हो गया। तो हॉरर का इंटेंशन ही वही था कि मे बी दिल गेट कोजी विद द गर्ल। सो वहाँ भूत ना के डरा दिया, उसके बाद तो क्या रिएक्शन निकलेगा वो तो उन पे डिपेंड करता है। बट द इंटेंशन टू गो टू अ हॉरर हाउस वाज बेसिकली लेट्स गेट कोजी, लेट्स गेट टू नो ईच अदर।
दिव्या, आप
Thank God I wasn't there in the school. Otherwise, जब मुझे डर लगता है तो मेरा फर्स्ट इंस्टेंट, मैंने अपने डायरेक्टर्स को भी यही बोला था, देखो अगर मुझे डर लगता है मेरा फर्स्ट इंस्टेंट है मैं मारूं। तो I don't know how should I do that in the film.
देखो मैं भी
You have
कभी
to
गया नहीं
guide
हॉन्टेड
me.
हाउस क्योंकि मेरा फर्स्ट इंस्टेंट है कि मैं भागता हूँ। फर्स्ट थिंग इफ आई हियर ऑफ अ गोस्ट आई रन।
So it was quite interesting. मैं मारती हूँ, ये भागता है, and then romance होता है. So it's just
सवाल
happened.
कमाल का था आपका. I just want to say thank you sir. Our next question please.
Aparna ma'am, my question is for Aparna ma'am. Like Z5 और आप लोग पिछले कुछ महीनों से हर वेब सीरीज के साथ एक नया जॉनर ट्राई करते आ रहे हैं, तो how has been the association with Z5, like Z5 with Alt Balaji?
With alt and the kind of stories that Ekta makes, we've actually opened up an opportunity for a new taste cluster, a new cohort to come on our platform, which is new age women. Stories of women empowerment, which Ekta so beautifully brings to life on screen. We already have a huge television base, right? I mean, Ekta's own top shows, Kumkum Bhagya, Kundali Bhagya from ZTV, are some of the most consumed shows on Z5. It gave us a great opportunity to upsell the premium packages to women consumers with shows that she made, So yes, like I said, and I've been saying, I think the third time I'm repeating now, this association has been wonderful for both of us, and we look forward to doing more work together.
So every time you have been, trying different genre. What about that? Like, what more you want to explore?
See, the latest edition is horror, sex, comedy, और क्या बचा है, right? Crime thriller हो गया, new age women stories हो गई, action thrillers हो गए. We'll keep.
I think
keep
it'll be
watching
nice. You
Z5.
should also suggest a genre, and they would try. But thank you. That was a great question. Can we move on to our next question, please?
एकता जी, अभी हमने गाना सुना, बहुत बढ़िया लगा गाना सुन के। तो कुछ गाने के बारे में कुछ रोशनी डालिए, आगे कितने गाने हैं? दिव्या जी भी कुछ कहना चाहती है गाने के बारे में, कहें।
ये गाना जो है ये एक्चुअली इट्स लाइक अ ट्रिब्यूट टू द बेबी डॉल टीम जिन्होंने बेबी डॉल क्रिएट किया, और हमें खुद नहीं पता था कि एक डिजिटल शो का गाना इतना बड़ा हो जाएगा। एक हफ्ता या 10 दिन हुए रिलीज होने को, कुछ मिलियंस ऑफ व्यूज है टिकटॉक पे। देयर आर डिफरेंट क्लब्स प्लेइंग द सॉन्ग, and I think it's all because of Meet Brothers, Kanika, Sunny, and of course Z Music's marketing, and my own team Divya and everyone and Aparna and all who pushed the song out so much. तो गाना मुझे नहीं लगता था कि इतना जल्दी एक गाना जैसे कि डिजिटल शो का इतना बड़ा। I mean, हम लोग कुछ ही दिनों में एक आर्टिकल करने वाला, we have almost going to cross 34 million views. Yeah, I mean it's like unheard of. इतनी जल्दी for a digital show to have these kind of views, unheard of. And thank you all for hearing the song.
Yeah.
Divya, you want to add to that because he actually wanted you to say something. Thanks.
हाँ जी. I'm not singing this song.
Sing
You
Divya
want me to
Desh.
sing this song? Hai Rabba ki karta. Okay, I'll try to not put a stop on those songs when this voice. Anyway, so मैं हाँ सोनी वे मेरी छम छम करे पजेब लाली लल्ला तेलारी ना 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 I'm not a good singer.
Just say hello ji and I got it.
हाँ this I
है
can
ना?
ये अगर ट्यून में भी नहीं हो तो भी चलेगा. This is like ये anthem तो it's okay. Hello जी जरा भी न लगदे हो वो मुंडे कहंदे hello जी बीट ते नचते हो.
My God, we really didn't think that would happen today on stage, but wow, you guys can make them do anything, right? Thank you so much for that, sir. And really, मतलब आपने किस नज़र से देखा ये वीडियो, मुझे मज़ा आ गया. आप मुझे बताइए अगला सवाल कौन सा है?
Ekta ji,
Yes, sir.
congratulations, and I'd like to know the view about this. दो में ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है.
Someone had to say that. Thank you, sir. सबसे सीनियर इंसान यहाँ के, बढ़िया आपने किया.
21 12 पहले पार्ट में अगर आपको मजा आया तो दूसरे में ज्यादा मजा आएगा. सो इसलिए है ये दो में ज्यादा मजा है.
आपको क्या लगा?
Nothing.
Don't even get there. No.
जी रागिनी मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही स्पेशल शो है क्योंकि मेरा डेब्यू शो है एंड आई गेट टू वर्क विद द बेस्ट इन द इंडस्ट्री. एकता कपूर राइट है एंड इससे बढ़िया डेब्यू आई डोंट थिंक मैं इमेजिन कर सकता था. दिव्या के साथ विद अ फैंटास्टिक कास्ट राइट हियर विद अ फैंटास्टिक टीम मेकिंग द शो. आई थिंक आई एम ट्रूली ब्लेस्ड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस.
Hello.
Thank you.
Hi. Hi, I am Surbhi from Mumbai Live. Ekta.
So very excited for both. Nagin coming in like this weekend and Ragini coming just a few days after that. Nagin evil लोगों को डसेगी और Ragini non creeps को मारेगी. So let's have some fun.
Slayers.
The Slayers
Thank
are
you.
here.
Yeah. Thank you. Can I please take that question if you don't mind?
मेरा टेक और बहुत ही ओपन टेक है. मैंने कभी भी इस बात से हम लोग छुपे नहीं. डर्टी पिक्चर जब रिलीज हुआ था हमने तब भी यही कहा था कि सेक्स करते सब है, देखते सब है और मैं डर्टी. सो आई मीन दैट्स व्हाट विद्या हैड सेड ऑन स्टेज एंड आई एक्चुअली बिलीव दैट कि हम अगर कोई भी लड़की जिसकी शॉर्ट स्कर्ट है या जो किसी ने ऐसे कपड़े पहने जो उसका शौक है, आप उसको क्रिटिसाइज नहीं कर सकते. आपके हाथ आप पीछे रखिए. एंड एज फार एज सेक्स गोज, सेक्स इज नॉट रॉन्ग. नॉन कॉन्सेंशुअल सेक्स इज रॉन्ग. सो आई हैव अ ह्यूज बिलीफ इन दिस कि जितना हम चीज़ों को छुपाएंगे, औरतों को बोलेंगे कि यू नो ये आई मीन सो मेनी पीपल राइट ऑन माई वॉल आप सेक्स दिखा रही हैं तो ये सब गलत हो रहा है सोसाइटी के साथ. सचमुच रियली हमारे सोसाइटी के साथ गलत हो रहा है क्योंकि सेक्स देख रहे हैं लोग. हमारी सोसाइटी गलत हो रहा है क्योंकि लोग सेक्स को मिसयूज कर रहे हैं. कभी कभी शादी में भी मिसयूज कर रहे हैं. एंड नॉन कॉन्सेंशुअल सेक्स शादी में भी होता है. सो आई रियली बिलीव दैट यू शुड हैव अ हैप्पी fulfilled life without forcing yourself on anyone.
Thank
Hi,
you.
Ekta. Here.
Yes. Sorry. Yes, go ahead.
आपको क्या चाहिए था?
Can I say one thing? I don't think many people know this. ये आंसर ये नहीं देंगी, ये मैं दूंगी. मैं ये इसलिए दूंगी because Ragini MMS released on a India-Pakistan match. And I was told that ये पिक्चर अगर 5 करोड़ के ऊपर खुली तो बहुत बड़ा शौक होगा because इंडिया-पाकिस्तान मैच के दिन कोई बाहर नहीं जाएगा. ये 9 करोड़ पे खुली और इसका कॉस्ट ही 9 करोड़ था.
Hey, hi Ekta. Here, Surbi from Mumbai Live. So first I want to compliment you on something. You really have a great taste in music, and we get to see that in all your web series, right from Cold Lassi
I love
to now
music.
Yeah, it kind of reflects. And my question is for actually Sunny. You know, in this MMS2, Ragini MMS2 returns, do we see you do only this song, or will we see you more in this web series?
I have a short film that's in an epilogue and a short film that I'll be a part of in this series. So it's the beginning. So that's called prologue. My bad. Sorry. I'm in the beginning part of this series, and
Okay.
obviously the song as well. And it's just going to kickstart the entire series and the VR film.
Hi, my name is Heer. I'm right here. Sorry, I'm vertically challenged. But, okay, so I'd like to compliment you for your exquisite shows out there. And I'm just wondering if you ever are going to tap on a subject of marital rape. It's something that's growing. It's something like she just suggested that you can give your options. So I'm just asking.
So actually, I did that many years ago. If you see, there was marital rape in Kyonki, and Akash Deep had raped Gauri Pradhan in the show, and Tulsi had, because there was no law at that time, we had her take a gun and do a Mother India and shoot her own son, because she couldn't get any kind of lawful justice for her daughter-in-law getting raped by her son. It was a very wild episode, highly rated. But I always believe, that, in these mass mediums, if with entertainment we can say something, maybe the classes won't get it. They'll see, oh, what are you showing a woman shooting her son? But for a lot of women in small towns, it became a lesson that this, if Tulsi says is not allowed, is not allowed. You don't touch anyone without, even if it's your wife.
Thank you.
Thank
We'll
you.
have time only to take one last question, so make it count, guys. Anybody who has a burning question, or otherwise, I'm going to ask for my photographers to step up forward and we can do the pictures.
एक्साइटेड है, नर्वस है कि इतने बड़े फ्रेंचाइजी का हम पार्ट हो रहे हैं एंड फर्स्ट वेब सीरीज टुगेदर ऑन सच अ बिग ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म।
वो भी साथ में, so that is more exciting I think for me. If it was not Varun today and I was so emotional, मैं ट्रेलर देख के मैं इतनी इमोशनल हो गई थी। वरुण नहीं होता, कोई और को एक्टर होता तो मैं चुपचाप साइड में खड़े रह के वरुण को मैसेज कर रही थी, यार मैं बहुत इमोशनल हूँ, मेरा पहला डेब्यू, बट आई एम ग्लैड वी आर शेयरिंग दिस स्टेज, आई एम ग्लैड वी आर टुगेदर हियर. This is like not only in a professional life we have nailed this, in our personal lives also we have this always like documented forever.
Okay, so जानना चाहूँगी कैसे आपने इसके पार्ट बने और सबसे पहला थॉट क्या आया था जब ये ऑफर किया?
तो मुझे तो कॉल आया था इसका एंड आई थॉट कि कोई फिरकी ले रहा है मेरी, बिकॉज हम लोग आई थिंक जस्ट शो से बाहर निकले थे एंड हम लोग रियलिटी वर्ल्ड में हम लोग वी आर गेटिंग यूज्ड टू इट एंड देन दे कॉल्ड मी अगेन, दे मैसेज मी द स्क्रिप्ट एंड आई ऑडिशन फॉर इट and then I called her up, I said, Divya, I think I got the part.
Yeah.
And she was like, wow, all the best.
Yeah.
And then a couple of days later Divya ने मुझे बताया कि मुझे भी रागिनी ऑफर हुआ है. I said, as what? मुझे as रागिनी. There's
He's like,
nothing
please
better than
kalle,
this.
please kalle, don't say no. So I was very skeptical for the bold scenes, obviously. But then Abhishek Jain is the person who called me, and he's the creative director of the show, and he was the one to tell me, "Ke Divya, just once you have to listen to the story. If you feel the story is good, just go for it." And as we all heard on stage, it's all about women empowerment. It's all about the right things. So when I heard the story, I'm like, I cannot miss this. I have to be a part of this.
But the fact that you are a real life couple, does this make it easy or
No,
it
no,
made it difficult?
it doesn't make it easier because
Made- I don't know.
see, I'll be honest. 100 people watching you doing something that you do it in your
Behind the
private
doors.
zone. It is not easy.
It is
Plus,
not
playing a character, you also have like physically you have your limitations because Rahul is not like Varun. So Divya is not like Ragini. So even when we were doing the bold scenes, the physical intimacy also was like Ragini and Rahul, not like Varun and Divya. So we had to get used to that also.
So overall कैसा experience है?
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत डरावना.
बहुत डरावना.
Because I'm a
बहुत
guy
अच्छा.
who's very scared of horror things around
I
me.
love horror
I'm
movies.
petrified. Like I could cry.
I can
So-
watch horror movies every day.
While we were shooting in Manali, while we were shooting in Film City, I think मैं काफी बड़ा डरा हूँ. कुत्ता भी ज़्यादा तो has to be scared. But overall a great experience. I got to learn a lot. Great
Yeah.
actors,
Great
great
actors
team.
on board.
I'm just blessed to be a part of this.
Yeah.
What would have been the support if you people would have not been cast opposite each other? You know, and
The
some
support would
other
be
actor
there.
would have been playing a-
Obviously,
The
the
support would have
was
been there.
constant. The support was constant even for the future endeavors, for the future projects. The support is constant, and we've been looking. We actually have been looking to explore more. You know, in acting, in professional zone, we now decide after Ragini that we need to explore more corners and challenge ourselves more, and see how it
Individually,
works individually, how it works. So yeah, so far so good. यार बिग बॉस की बात मत कीजिए प्लीज.
रुको रुको.
अगर आप थोड़ा सा कमेंट करना चाहें तो थोड़ा सा दाश शुक्ला है
बहुत बढ़िया शो है. बहुत बढ़िया शो है. सलमान खान बहुत बढ़िया होस्ट है.
जानना चाहूँगी कि सनी के साथ कैसा experience रहा काम करने का? Last question.
हाँ.
जानना चाहूँगी सनी के साथ कैसा रहा experience?
Sunny Leone, I told her the day I met her on shoot, जिस दिन उनका shoot था, मैं उन्हें मिली. I told her you are super lucky for me because I started off my TV career in Splitsvilla, MTV Splitsvilla, and she was the host. And there were times जब Splitsvilla में मुझे problems होती थी. Ran Vijay and Sunny. Ran Vijay तो now is a big brother for us, and he has been a constant support. He's been a constant support, but he's like, यार तू मेरी बहन है, मैं ये कैसे देखूँगा, मेरे को बता दे. मैं मतलब भाई I'll tell you which all scenes to watch. जिसमें मैं डर रही हूँ उसे वही देखो. तो Sunny has been तभी भी मेरे लिए lucky थी. मेरा first Splitsvilla show, the show that got me so many followers, so many like fans and overall like acknowledgement. So she was lucky even then. My first acting debut, and she is also a part of it. And she was a Ragini once. I think there is some connection with Sunny. I need to find out. Ragini नाम में कुछ है.
One last question, now please.
Any upcoming your song will become?
हाँ.
Song, upcoming projects.
So upcoming projects, yes, there are things pipelined, and we'll surely let you know. जैसे ये
When the
धमाका
right
फूटा
time
है,
comes, huh?
जैसे ये धमाका फूटा है, ऐसे 2020 is going to be amazing for us.
भाई same answer. हमको भी allowed नहीं है.
गाना बहुत अच्छा गा रहे थे, तो वो गा दी.
अरे यार नहीं यार मेरे को you have no idea. I am not a good singer.
Yeah.
अच्छा तो मेरे साथ क्या?
मैं
हाँ
दोनों
हाँ चल.
देखो ना मुझे पंजाबी आती है.
ओ वो तो मतलब भूल ही जाओ, यहाँ लॉन से भगाना है तुम्हें इसको. ओके. मैं हंसनी वे मेरी चमचम करे पजेब. हेलो जी.
Thank you.